evening, traders. This is Brian with TraderShark.com, an educational website to learn how to trade the E-mini S&P futures and the Euro futures and the crude futures. Today is Wednesday, September 18th, 2013. The market opened up this morning here at 1697.75, represented by this white dotted line. At 8:30, we had housing starts that were within consensus range, so there really was no market movement for us to take advantage of. At this time, we had a nice little sell-off, working our way to the downside. This happened relatively fast. This is also called a breakout trade, and I'm more of a pullback trader, so I didn't get into these first extensions, but had a nice little pullback here. And again, once you got to the third extension, I kept my profit targets real tight, 2 ticks and 4 ticks. Plus, we had FOMC announcement coming out at 2 o'clock this afternoon. So in the meantime, we come into a no trade zone here from 11:30 until 1:15 Eastern Standard Time. Coming out of the no trade zone, a little bit of upside pressure. Again, not too much activity that I was interested in getting into, working our way back towards opening price until right here at exactly 2 o'clock. And I want you to notice this launch higher from here until here stopped exactly 60 seconds later. Go back and look at it from 2 o'clock to 2:01. At that point, it's just like a runner. Once you get a nice strong move, they're going to take a breather. And that's exactly what this market did. Took a breather all the way back to its support level. And another thing about the FOMC announcement, at this time frame, we were also preparing for the Fed chairman to speak at around 2:30. I did not get into any trades. I was pretty much on the sidelines waiting at this point. As the market continued sideways, I know it seems like there's an awful lot of opportunities being missed, but generally on an FOMC today, you'll see a pullback. And I was really expecting a much deeper pullback. Did not occur, continued to push up higher. At that point, there was one little pullback that gave us a nice clean auto wave, as well as a Fibonacci retracement. Took 11 ticks on that trade. And as we went forward, there was no letting up. Once we broke these highs, the pressure was pushing up into an extended wave trade long. Target 1, target 2, and target 3 were hit for a total of 26 ticks. And that was pretty much it for the day. I know it seems like there's a nice selling pressure here. I don't want to be shorting while we're above the moving averages. Working our way to the downside. Nothing really retraced. I did try one final Fibonacci retracement here for a continuation and got stung. Didn't quite get my first target off. First target was hit, but did not get filled. Forced myself out at minus 4 ticks times 2 contracts for minus 8. Over the next 2 weeks, we have some free trials coming up for the Shark Den in the crude room and also in the S&P and the Euro. Like, you go ahead and go to the website, TraderShark.com. Go to the news and go to the blog archive. At the blog archive, you will go ahead and see what we have listed right now. We have 3 events going on. 5-day free trial beginning September 23rd and 27th. Go ahead and register on that link right there. And then I've got a How the S&P and the Euro Shark Den Works on October 1st for about 45 minutes. And then we have the 2 free days in the Shark Den from October 3rd and October 4th.